Hello and welcome. I'm Thomas, the newest member of the Lions Equipment UK Limited team, here to enhance your experience with our company. At Lions Equipment UK Limited, we've been at the forefront of garage equipment engineering for over 45 years, committed to innovation, customer satisfaction, and quality of service. As we embrace digital transformation, my role is to bring our wealth of knowledge directly to you in a more accessible and engaging manner. Using advanced text-to-speech technology, I'll transform our informative articles into engaging spoken content. Whether you're exploring our services or seeking advice on our range of products, I'm here to make information accessible and enjoyable for you. But my role is set to expand. In the future, I aim to become your go-to digital helper on our website, providing instant support and guidance through the latest chatbot and GPT technologies. Imagine having instant access to advice on rope replacement services, inquiries about our bespoke ATL handsets and PCBs, or any other query, all facilitated through a simple conversation with me. This is just the beginning. As we continue to enhance my capabilities, your feedback will play a crucial role in ensuring that I can meet your needs effectively. I invite you to stay tuned for more updates and reach out with your thoughts and questions. Together, we're driving towards a future filled with unparalleled service and digital innovation at Lions Equipment UK Limited. Thank you for watching. I'm Thomas, and I look forward to assisting you in every way possible.